The most powerful tool in the hands of a software engineer is not what you think. It's a pen and a paper. Are you puzzled, disappointed, or even angry hearing this? It's not a lie. If you think enough, you will understand you are not paid for the tools you use or how well you use them. You are actually paid for your problem solving ability. If you look at the different levels of pay scale from the lowest to highest, the lowest of the lowest paid software engineers will be the ones whose skills are tied to a particular tool. Even in this age of AI, because of the huge hype around AI, you might think AI tools like Cursor AI or GitHub Copilot will be the differentiating factor that will skyrocket your career. But you are wrong. It might be true for a very short period of time until these AI tools become mainstream. Once it is mainstream, a level playing field will be created, and these tools will be a norm instead of a differentiator. Your problem solving ability is going to be the differentiator. To become great at problem solving, you must use a pen and a paper instead of using an IDE or a cursor AI. When trying to solve problems using pen and paper, you will develop neural connections in your brain that could help you solve problems instead of developing the neural connections of your favorite AI tool. Once you start using pen and paper, or at least a whiteboard, you will start to visualize the intricate patterns of data structures and how those data structure elements interact with each other. You will start to appreciate algorithms. You will start to recognize design patterns and visualize them for an application level. Instead, if you choose to use an IDE or even a notepad for writing your code, you will stop a part of your brain that helps you visualize whatever you are doing. Problem solving is nothing but pattern recognition. By pattern recognition, I mean recognizing patterns of problems and solutions. When you use pen and paper, these pattern recognitions becomes engraved in your brain, making you a better programmer, a better problem solver, and a person who would be seen as a master in his craft. For pattern recognition in data structures and algorithms, I have developed something unique that would help you in recognizing most of the patterns. Instead of solving 500 plus lead code problems in order to get that pattern recognition ability, I have designed something that will help you recognize patterns of problems in data structures and algorithms. Instead of telling you how an algorithm works, this guide tells you when to use it. Do you find yourself wondering which data structure or algorithm to use in a particular situation? Then this guide is definitely for you. Grab the guide by clicking the link in the description. Until we meet the next time, this is Shivakumar aka Algo Shiva signing off. Bye.